trading up dreams. Our moped for a thrilling BMW 1000 adventure.
I love saying that. It's kind of silly. But Danielle and I are on another mission. We're going to run on over here to Westlake Road in Orville, and I think we got a trade for the moped on the internet. So we had it listed for sale so we could get some more money to buy some parts, to do some more videos. You know how this stuff goes, you know. Well, we got a hit on it, and it's for a BMW 1000 street bike. The lady just wants a trade. She's got a couple of them, and she wants a moped to scoot around town on. I'm like, oh yes, let's go. We made it over here. Cute little tractor you got.
Yeah, this is my little baby Fergie. She doesn't tear up the grass when I drive it on the lawn and stuff.
100 RS, so it's a 100 cc?
No, it's 1000 cc.
1000, okay.
It's the SDRS is a sports
Right on.
model. See, it has the little, instead of having the wide hand grips, it's got the little ones where you sit crouched down, and the low fairing. That's the sport things on the BMW.
Kind of like a crotch rocket then.
Yeah, sort of.
It's cute.
Except it's an airhead.
An airhead, so it doesn't have the water cooled.
No.
That's kind of a good thing. How long's it been sitting?
Several years.
Think it'll start?
It doesn't have any battery.
Well, once we do that, you think?
Probably. The tires are all good on it. Scott took out and said it was fun, but then he moved to Montana. He bought 160 acres in Montana.
This is the moped that we're going to make the trade on. Just went ahead and cleaned it up, cleaned the tires and the vinyl on it. It's looking real sharp right now. I mean, sharp as could be. It's a 2008 150 limited edition MP 150B JCL from Japan. But runs great. 82 miles right now. 82.7. So this will be the trade for that BMW 1000 after we charge the battery up. I'm going to go ahead and order her a new battery as well. It'll be here Tuesday, but maybe we can make the deal before then and just bring her a battery on Tuesday. That's an idea. All right. Okay. It's shiny now, but I got it wet and it's acting funny. So I think I got to clean that carburetor again. I might have, when I started it, not noticed that it pulled some water in. I'm not sure about that, but I'm thinking that could be it, because it's just giving me a problem starting. See, it's got that little sputter to it when it first starts. Not to say it's not running good, but definitely got a little sputter to it. And I don't know, it may just clear itself out. But I don't want that to be the reason we don't get that BMW. You on a moped?
No.
Moped man. It's running all right. We are going to clean the carburetor again, though. Kind of acting funny at the low idle. Let's go for a scoot. There she goes. Woo! Wow! Ew! It's doing all right for a moped. I mean, heck, what can you expect for a little tiny machine? Jump! Whoa! F350! Ah! It's a wild little ride. Ooh! Ow! But it's doing okay. Got a little lame spot right there. But it's going. Shoot. Past the taco shack. Oh, we gotta watch the gravel on these things. I'm riding one-handed, by the way. See? Nothing there. Holding the camera. Hi, boys. There's the real motorbikes. Bad. This is behind the scenes, and I'm just talking to you guys, but what do you guys really think of this BMW 1000? I think she is glorious, and I really believe that the Moped is worth at least the same amount, if not more, than this old bike. And you know me, I love old bikes. I just can't get enough of them. I really just, God, look at it. It looks like it wants to go fast, and I want to get it out of this barn where it's been sitting for the last few years, and I want to ride it. This little dent on the tank, it doesn't affect what I think of it. This little bit of dirt doesn't affect it. The time that it sat or the battery that's missing does not affect it. This bike screams, "Fun guy, ride me." Kind of like my wife in the night. But in the meantime, look at the grill on this thing. I mean, it's just the traditional bullet bobber front end. And it is beautiful. Gunmetal gray. So here's where I'm at with this. We've got a couple days to decide. Do we trade this moped for the BMW 1000? And in my mind, I'm saying, well, yes. There's no reason why we shouldn't. We all know where it came from, how much we paid for it, the burnout we did with it and everything. We haven't done anything else with it. But is it really worth not trading for this BMW 1000? This woman just wants a cool little scooter to scoot around town, and I think this thing's right up her alley. Perfect. But we need to make it right. We need to get everything right for her so she doesn't have any problems. We don't get any feedback that's negative, and we just want to make sure it's right. So like, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.